Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Patashala's Python journey. We start from zero all the way to the top. Sky is our limit. Today we would be looking at the Python print function. There are three methods in which we can print in Python. To give you a perspective, we are currently on Python version 3.10.1 and let's look at the first method. Printing in Python is very simple. All we have to do is type print, open the parentheses, and type what we have to display on the screen. Save this file, and let me open the terminal here, and I'll quickly show you the version that we are on. So this is Python 3.10.1. I do a clear screen. We say Python run T0015 and it will print the word hello world. Now the second method is using double inverted commas, and it looks something like this. In this method also we have the print function. We open the parentheses and say from cloud Patashala, and that's it. Now if I save and run this file, this would say hello from cloud Patashala. If you don't want a space in the beginning, what we could do is remove the space, and it should give you a decent way of displaying things. The third method in which we can print is using triple inverted commas. The print function is pretty much the same. We type print, open the parentheses, we start the three inverted commas, and we could just type in the words that we want to type, and I'll quickly save it. And now if I run the same, I clear the screen, if I run the same program again, it would say hello from cloud Patashala to the world, right? So this is one way of writing the entire thing. Now let's also see if what if you need a new line at the beginning, right? So what we could do is for a new line character, we could use /n at the beginning. And that's backward slash, and it would look something like this. If you see, the /n is in a different color coding. That means it is not considered as a text but considered as this. Okay. So this is how we could print using Python. Thank you so much for watching the video. We will be looking at more print statements in the coming sessions.